Hey guys, Tarun here from Minus Gateway. So today we'll be looking at mining Alephium with our 4GB cards, namely the 1650 Ti and the 1050 Ti and the 1650. So the cards that I'm using is an Inno3D 1050 Ti X2 Twin X2 and SO Stuff 1650 and Galax 1650. So with that said, so let's begin, guys. So this is the rig that I'm using. So if you look, what I've been doing is I've been solo mining Alephium and for about 10 hours or so. I couldn't find a block. So what done is I've actually switched to pool mining Alephium, and after a long testing last night, these are the overclocks that I'm using for my cards. I've kept the core at 125 and memory at 350 for all my 1650 cards, right? And For the GeForce 1050 Ti, the core is at 200 and the memory is at 150 and the power limit is at 60. So with that, I'm getting about 460 mega hash because this particular card from Asus has a 6-pin power connector. So it is giving me a better hash rate here from mining point of view, whereas the Galax card, where the power limit is set to 75 here, that's the max. I'm getting about 411. This is 402 and 405 respectively. So this one particular card is performing better at the same overclocks. Whenever I try to push the overclock beyond 125 for any of these 1650s, that is especially the core, right? The card crashes actually. So the miner crashes and it reboots. So that I was testing that last night, and these were the overclocks that I found were stable and efficient. So if you take a look at the miner, right? I just switched over from solo mining to pool mining, and if you see, especially the 1650s, the efficiency that I'm getting is about 6.22 mega hashes per watt. So it is going very well, and it was running stable also during solo mining. If you look, I was this is the region where I switched from Ton, and I was playing around with the overclocks to finally stabilize on them and fix the numbers for the overclocks for these 4GB cards. So it has been going well for more than about 10 hours, and I had no complaints there, or no crashes or stability issues. I didn't find any of them. So with the current overclocks, I'm doing about 2.417 gigahashes. And take a look at the profitability of this. Let me remove this. Let me go to what to mine. So I'm going to make this 0, right? Because we are not mining Ethereum. So the hash rate that I have as per HiveOS is 2.417. So let's key that in here. Fees, I'm mining to hero miners, so they're charging me 0.959%. And assuming that I'm drawing about 520 watts, 11 cents per kilowatt hour. Block reward is 3.3. So let's calculate. Right, guys. So in a day, stand up making about 7.917 Alephium, right? And my revenue and the cost. So looks like it is in negative, minus 37 cents. So mining Alephium with these cards right now doesn't seem to, you know, be profitable. All you can do is spec mine these, or dual mine it with uh, Ethereum on higher spec cards, so that would be more profitable for you guys. Solo mining Alephium on the 4GB cards doesn't looks very promising or very good. If you look at, I'm actually shelling out 37 cents from my pocket, so it is eating up on the money that we have already accumulated. So it doesn't make sense mining uh, Alephium, single mining Alephium with 4 GB cards at least at the present, because you know, as you guys are aware, markets are down. They have recovered slightly, but it is not back to the standard bear market, bull market, that bull run that we saw. But then again, if you want to just accumulate this, then go ahead and you can accumulate it and see how it works. But mining it alone with 4 GB cards is not doesn't looks profitable as of today. All right, guys. So that is all I have for this video. If you like what I do, and if you like my content, please hit that like button and share and subscribe. You will be supporting me, and you will also be motivating me to do this, do more content. Until the next video, you guys stay safe and take care. I'll speak to you guys in the next video. You guys have a great day or great evening. Take care.